Okay, PB Pro, SSDC 4.6.2 and early version of Pit Pro, just demonstration. Okay, just about to start a race. Pit Pro starts off with one light up in the top left hand side to indicate this is a version 1. Later ones are going to move across to indicate what version it is. Okay, PB Pro is connected up to the computer at the far side. Displays all set up for a race. Got it on GRP22. Okay, I'm about to press a button and that will initiate the start. Note what happens to the lights on the Pit Game that's been converted to Pit Pro. You'll also see when I touch the throttle what the effect is. So the start lights worked, and green line means I can go now. I'll press the throttle for let's say blue to start with, touch it, and instantly you'll see 3 lights appear on the Pit Pro. Okay, now I'm just going to drive this McLaren round, which is in red lane or red throttle. Okay, so again, as soon as I touch the throttle, red lights come on. I'll run it round just a couple of laps.
Red, you are leading the race.
So we get an indication off of SSDC that there's that the car's running around, and the fuel lights stay at that. Now I'm going to decrement the fuel setting by keeping the throttle pressed. The car's disabled at the moment, and I can see on the screen in the background that we're down to about 7/8, approaching the 3/4 mark, just coming up to the 3/4 mark. Now watch the LEDs. You'll see first LED is extinguished. Okay, as it continues on down, as we approach the half mark, then the second LED will go out about now, and so on. If I keep the throttle pressed, and the fuel keeps going down. And now, as we approach the red section on the fuel gauge on SSDC, the final quarter, the last LED is extinguished.
You are running out of fuel. Pit on your next lap.
And to indicate that you've got to do something, the LEDs all start flashing. Okay, so that's just on the quarter point. If I carry on, regardless, then as you go down a little bit, it drops down to 2 LEDs flashing, and then finally it drops down to 1 flashing at a much faster rate. So now let's bring the car in for some fuel, and we'll see Pit Pro in operation now.
Into the pit lane.
So now the connection to the computer, the sensors is recognise the car, and pressing the lane change button now with no throttle will refuel, and you'll see the LEDs come back up as the fuel fills, and then when it's completely full you get an audible warning from the pit crew. So let's do that. Here we go, it's filling up. So, and away we go. And that's about it, really.
Red, you are leading the race.
You just got to have some fun with it.